flashlight that sees stains, one that paints with RGB light, another tough enough to survive a drop from a truck. These are not your grandfather's flashlights. Today we are looking at 5 next-generation flat EDC lights that do way more than just shine in the dark. And number 1, it packs 4 different lights into one flat body. Stick around for that. Links are in the description. Let us go. Number 1 is the Olight ArkPro Ultra. Think of this as the ultimate flat EDC light. The ArkPro Ultra packs a 1700 lumen floodlight, an 800 lumen spotlight, a UV light, and a green beam in one pocket-sized body. That is 4 light sources in one device. But the real story is the material. Olight's proprietary O aluminum is 1.73 times harder than standard aluminum. This thing defies scratches and shrugs off dents. Drop it, bash it, it keeps going. The UV light reveals stains and detects leaks. The green beam works independently or combines with any light source. Dual charging via USB-C or magnetic cable. 14-day moonlight runtime. Lockout indicator for safety. For the person who demands the toughest, brightest, most feature-packed flat EDC light, this is the one to beat. But if you need a flashlight that doubles as a precision tool, wait until you see number 2. Number 2 is Klein Tools 56074. Most flat EDC flashlights are either too complicated or too basic. The Klein Tools 56074 strikes the perfect balance. It delivers up to 1000 lumens in turbo mode with 3 standard brightness levels. But here's the genius part. The Class 2 green laser precisely identifies targets at extended distances, presentations, construction sites, pointing out stars. Incredibly useful. The built-in side-facing floodlight provides 150 lumens of wide area illumination for up to 12 hours, perfect for workspace coverage or reading. The magnetic end cap mounts to metal surfaces for repairs or camping. Klein Tools has been making professional-grade tools for over 160 years. This is built to last. For the professional or DIYer who needs a reliable flat light with a precision laser, this is a serious contender. Now, what if you want all those features in an even sleeker flat package? Number 4 delivers. Number 3 is Olight ArkPro. This is the flat flashlight that started the revolution. The Olight ArkPro packs 4 light sources into one impossibly flat body. A 1500 lumen floodlight, an 800 lumen spotlight reaching 205 meters, a powerful UV light, and a green beam. The green beam combines with any of the 3 light sources for 7 total configurations. Imagine pointing out stars at night or marking a distant trail. The flat design fits so comfortably in your pocket you will barely notice it. The magnetic base sticks to metal surfaces for repairs or camping. Dual charging via USB-C or magnetic cable. 14 days of moonlight runtime. For the person who wants every possible light source in one pocket-sized package, this is hard to beat. But if you think that's impressive, number 4 brings something completely different. Number 4, Coast Slayer 1150. Most flashlights force you to choose between floodlight or spotlight. Annoying, right? The Coast Slayer 1150 says why not both? Dual optic system gives you separately controlled flood and spot beams. 1150 lumens. The beam reaches over 426 feet. But here is the real kicker: memory mode. The flashlight remembers your go-to beam setting. No cycling through modes, just turn it on and it jumps straight to your preference. IP67 rated, dust-proof and waterproof, perfect for camping or keeping in your glove box. USB-C rechargeable, no hunting for disposable batteries. For anyone who wants simplicity with serious power and a flat form factor, solid choice. And now number 5, the most creative flat flashlight on this entire list. This little flat beast changes the game with color. The Wuben X4 is not just a flashlight, it is a portable light show. The main light pumps out 1500 lumens and reaches 205 meters, but the side light, that is where things get fun. RGB light source cycles through colors, great for photography, ambiance, or just showing off. The controls are genius. Toggle switch selects the mode. Rotary switch controls brightness with stepless dimming. No preset levels, just smooth, precise adjustment. Tactical tail switch instantly hits 1500 lumens in any mode. Magnetic tail cap for hands-free use. Weighing only 4.8 ounces and measuring just 3.8 inches long, it clips onto a hat or backpack with ease. For outdoor enthusiasts and content creators who want versatility with a splash of color, this one delivers the most creative experience. So there you have it, 5 flat flashlights that do way more than just light up a room. From the ultra-durable ArkPro Ultra to the color-shifting Wuben X4, which one would you actually carry every day? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you find your next flat EDC light, hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss our next gear breakdown. Thanks for watching. Now go light something up.